Hello. Today I was trying to download a zip file that has some TTF font files, to import that zip file inside the PDF index generator program to use those fonts. The downloaded file must stay in zip format, so it can be imported inside the program. When downloading the zip file using the Safari browser, I found that it automatically extracts it. As you can see here. Now I can't import those files inside the program. To fix this issue, and keep the downloaded zip file in its original form, without extracting, please do this. In Safari browser, run the Preferences. In the General tab, disable the option, Open Save Files after downloading. That will do the trick. Close this window, and try downloading another zip file. Let's check it in the Downloads folder. It appears as a normal zip file. Safari doesn't extract it anymore, and I can now import the zip file to the program safely. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.